Hindi ko tinanggal yung kapit ng braso niya.
Alam mo, ang weird. Kasi ni-imagine ko yung mga nangyayari. Nakikita ko siya kasi na-imagine ko siya. Ang weird.
Sabi niya, baliw! Oh my gosh, she started crying. I didn't know what to do. All I did was to hug him back to show some comfort. Hindi ko na namalaya na matagal na magkayakap ni Mipi until I noticed someone staring at us from afar. Eva, bulong ko. Nakita kong papalapit na siya, kaya pilit na tinanggal yung yakap ni Min sa akin. Instead of him letting go, I was shocked sa ginawa niya. He leaned his head, making it look like he was kissing me in Eva's point of view. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was so tangin. I saw how heartbroken Eva's eyes looked, but she was forcing herself to smile. Eva started running back to his car. I pushed Mindy out of the way. Nandala na ako ng emosyon. Eva! I shouted as I tried to chase his car. Oh my God! Mindy! That was so kind. Oh my God! Pang slay! Mindy! Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I saw Precious with Minty. They looked like they were kissing. Oh my God! I'm so happy for them. But na-realize nila na para sila sa isa't isa. Ang galing destiny. Eva, where are you? I'm at nowhere inside the night. Baba Grill. Ayoko na kayo tuloy! Iinis ako! Ayoko na... Ano kainis? Minty! Nagilan mo na kami, Minty! Diyos ko! Hayaan mo na kami maging masaya! Inis. Precious, what the fuck was that? Kakapasabi ko pa na huwag saktan. Ngayon pa talaga, malinawa. Kasi ako na ba? It's not what it looks like. Hindi pa ba sa kanya nakikaibigan namin? Oh my God, so nag-away-away sila. Deserve. I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry. It's all my fault. Yes! I don't know. Bakit ngayon pa? Di ba mahal kita? Oh my God. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! You hurt my feelings. Anong mahal mo ko? You fucked with my head. Oh my God. Kapalis ni Eva. Eva naman, let me explain please. I won't stop begging for your forgiveness. Sorry, let me explain please. Let's talk, Eva. Reply to me please, Eva. Ay nako, tama. Hindi mo deserve. Ay nako. I love you all, heart. Miss Eva, bakit nag-private? I love you so much. But nag-private, we love you more. Let's talk. Oh my gosh, ang haba. Eva ko, talk to me. I can't live without you. You guys hurt my feelings. 7th day, Eva, I'm forever waiting. Like, 1 week na pa ako ulit, wala pa rin ba talaga? Oh my gosh! Kaya naman hindi ako ganyan. Kasi kung talagang nangyari yan, may basag ang mukha. Bakit ang mukha nila pareho talaga? Hindi nyo na ako kukulitin kasi wala na siyang daliring context. Let's talk now, on the way na. Eva, my love, finally. Oh my gosh, mag-uusap na kami! Okay, mag-uusap na kami. This is it, Eva. Okay. Meron na namang music. So, alam na natin, kapag may music yung it's like, embrace yourself. Okay. So, 277 at merong trigger warning, heartbreak. Precious POV. Pagdating ko sa location na sinad ni Eva, hinanap ko siya agad. I didn't see her inside of the store. I just waited for her dun sa mga fan na nakita ko. Kinakabahan ako ng ewan. You heard me! Will everything go back to normal after I explained everything to Eva? After a few minutes, I tried to call her. Another check na said no answer. Then biglang bumukas yung ito ang convenience store na house. I finally saw Eva again. Hey. Hindi ako magtatagal. I just wanted to explain everything. Nung sinakita mo, dapat natin pumunta si Minty biglang resto tapos bigla siyang himakap sa akin. She was drunk. Hindi kami naghahalikan expert na gulat ako na biglang nag-lean si Minty. Then I realized na ginagawa niya yun to fool you na she kissed me. Oh my God, Minty, you're so mean. Alam ko. Marina told me. Also, she told me about the thing that we were supposed to do that day. Oh, Eva, I wanted to tell you how much I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. You don't need to say sorry to me. If the kiss was real, I would have been happy for you, goodbye. I'm not talking like this. I'm just here to say goodbye. I'm going overseas. Hindi ako paniwala sa namin niya. She will leave me. Eva will leave me. P, I'm also here to say thank you and kung ano man yung meron tayo. Wika niya habang nagpupumilit siyang ngumiti. To be honest, this was such a rough decision for me. It's either I go back to you or choose myself this time. Precious, alam mo ba, ang hirap-hirap mong mahalin. Sabi niya, habang pareho ng tumulo ang mga luha namin dalawa. I would say that. I was always doubting everything and paasa mo, tapos sa tuwing nakikita ko yung mga tweets ni Mina, nagigilty ako kahit hindi naman dapat. Girl! Akala ko rin kasi you were taking care of it. Until Minty texted me personally saying na layuan daw kita kasi nasasaktan siya. Gago, paano naman ako? Buong buhay ko, nagpakatanga ako sa'yo. Tapos kung kailan hinihiwalayan ka ng long-term partner mo, dun mo lang ako napansin. Oops. If you think you love me, it's not love. You're just longing for help. You needed help. That's why you love me, diba? Kasi ang sakit-sakit mo. I was just waiting for you to say directly sa akin na mahal mo ako. Hindi yun natutulog ako o kaya through text. Kasi okay, nagpasuko na ako. Doon mo marirealize na mahal mo pala. Itong ina-precious, pagod na. Sobrang sakit nito. Thank you for everything, P. I will surely miss you. Eva, sorry. Sorry kung napagod ka. Oh, wala na! Oh, so we broke up. Eva left. It's all my fault. What? No. Shut up. What? Somewhere out of the country. Baka may sumali somewhere. baka may sinalihan siyang Miss Gigi Neri. Hi, Min. I just wanted to say na nalayuan ko sa Precious. Alam ko rin naman na magiging masaya siya kapag ikaw na kasama niya. Minalagaan ko si Precious. Mahal ko yan. Huwag mo na siyang para di ka na rin masaktan. I'm happy for you. Bitch! Take it to the